Okay, quick question. What if I told you I made this in under an hour when I didn't draw a single line? These channels are absolutely blowing up. We're talking millions of views just by posting shorts like this. And here's the thing. You could do it too. But I know what you're thinking. I can't animate. Or I'm broke. I don't have fancy software. Or maybe you've been posting random shorts and wondering why they're not taking off. Here's the good news. None of that matters, because today I'm going to show you how to create these viral style cartoons using just 2 free AI tools. No drawing. No editing nightmares, no budget. And the best part? You can make your first one in about 30 minutes and start uploading today. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to post your first AI cartoon short, and maybe even start chasing those million view numbers. Let's go. Alright, our journey starts here. Every hero needs a story, and in this case, our hero is going to be an adorable, chubby orange cat. Why? Because right now, orange cat cartoons are basically the rock stars of YouTube Shorts. They're cute, they're funny, and they pull in millions of views without even trying. So, I'm hopping into ChatGPT, which is like having a 24/7 creative partner that never sleeps, and I'm asking it for some ideas for a 40-second short cartoon with a main character that's a chubby orange cat. But here's the thing. ChatGPT is like a genie. The clearer you are with your wish, the better the magic you get back. Mini teaching moment. Writing perfect prompts. When you're creating content with ChatGPT, don't just say like this. Instead, tell it exactly what you want. The character, the length, the style. Mention the tone. Funny, heartwarming, adventurous, whatever you're going for. And give it any special rules, like no text in images or keep characters consistent. The more detail you give, the more it feels like the idea was made just for you. Boom, we've got our idea, but we're not stopping there. I'm also asking ChatGPT for 8 detailed image prompts, onto one for each scene of our story. Then, I'm asking for 8 animation prompts that will turn those still images into moving scenes later. And just like that, we've got our blueprint for a full cartoon. Now that we have our story and our prompts, it's time to bring them to life. Digen AI is an all-in-one AI platform for creating animated videos from your images. I've linked it in the description, and here's the cool part. When you first sign up, you get 300 free credits. And that's enough to make about 15 AI videos right off the bat, because one video now costs just 20 credits. It used to be 30, and if that wasn't enough, you also get daily free credits to keep going. Plus, you can generate unlimited, high-quality, consistent images for 0 credits. Yep, AI images here cost absolutely nothing. Let's hit the Create button and jump into the AI video making tab. On the right side, there's the Image tab. This is where we generate our images for free. First, you can choose a style model if you want. There are a few available. But for this example, I'm keeping it classic and not selecting any model. Next, aspect ratio. Since this is going to be a YouTube short, I'm picking 9:16. Then, I just paste the first prompt ChatGPT gave me. Look at this! We've got a super cute, chubby orange cat with big round eyes, tiny ears, short legs, and a fluffy tail. The style is exactly what we want. Cartoon style, smooth, colorful shading, soft lighting, Pixar-inspired, highly expressive face, consistent proportions, clean line art, and cinematic framing. And notice, no random text messing up the image. And here's what I love about Digen AI. The consistency is unreal. Every image keeps the same character proportions, the same art style, the same vibe. If you're not 100% happy with the result, you can re-edit or regenerate until it's perfect. And remember, images cost 0 credits, so you can experiment as much as you want. One by one, I'm pasting in all 8 of my scene prompts from ChatGPT, and now we've got a full set of matching beautiful cartoon images ready to turn into an animation. And that's where the real magic happens, taking these still images and making them move. So now we're going to turn this cute little orange cat into a full animated short, all inside Digen AI. Alright, our hero is ready for the next stage of the journey, motion. We've built the world, we've created the characters, and now it's time to make them come alive. And here's the part I love about Digen AI. You don't have to download your images and upload them again like in other tools. Nope, we're skipping all that boring stuff. You can directly select your image inside Digen and just click this magical little button, Make a Video. And boom, you're instantly in the image to video tool with your chosen image. No middle steps, no wasted time. Now, here's where the magic and control really happen. You can either type your own animation prompt or click on Prompt Enhance. When you use Prompt Enhance, Digen AI writes its own prompt based on your image, but here's the catch. It can sometimes add random movement you don't want. So here's my recommendation. Start with your own prompt so you're in control. Then, if you want, hit Prompt Enhance to make it richer. Luckily, I already have my animation prompts from ChatGPT, so I'm just pasting them in. Now we hit Generate Video. At the time I recorded this, it cost 30 credits per video. But, good news, it's now just 20 credits per video. That means more animations for the same free credits you get when you sign up. The video generation process takes a few minutes. You can make up to 2 videos at the same time, which is great if you want to work in batches. Your speed depends on 2 things: your internet connection and how many people are using Digen's free channel at that moment. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes you just grab a coffee while it works its magic. Here's our first animated scene. Look at this. Our orange cat has officially gone from a static drawing to a living, breathing, moving little star. Now I just repeat the process. Go back to the Image tab, select my next image, paste in my prompt, hit Generate Video, and do that for all 8 scenes. One by one, they all come to life. Once I've got all my clips, it's time for the final step, editing them together into a complete short. You can use free editors like CapCut or Canva for this. I drag in all of my clips, arrange them in order, and add sound effects and background music to give it personality. For music, I recommend using the YouTube audio library. Everything there is copyright free, so you won't get into trouble. And that's it. From a blank page to a fully animated cartoon short, all without filming, drawing, or paying a single dollar. If you post a few of these, you might just be the next channel pulling in millions of views. The only thing left is for you to hit create. If you just learned something new, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video is worth watching. Hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping even crazier AI tool hacks in the next videos, and you don't want to miss them.